question number 11, a statement is given. As the temperature increases, people eat more ice cream. Okay. So this is ice cream. Now you are asked to find what type of correlation is this statement described. So that's what they want. Now remember, they are giving you something and that thing is increasing and they are connecting it with another thing and that also increases. So this means these two have a positive correlation. Okay, you follow me? They have positive correlation. Say for example, imagine a man is earning more, and he becomes more happy. So that means earnings and happiness are positively correlated. When earnings increases, happiness will also increase. That is the meaning of it. So in this case, when temperature increases, people eat more ice cream. That means sales of ice cream increases. So that can also be one of the correlation, positive correlation. So for this, the direct solution is positively correlated. So you have several cases where positive correlation play a vital role, and I have given you an example here. So we move on to the next one.